What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the JBL Harman E45 BT I picked up at Walmart for $59, down from $99. Today I have them in black. They get an actual 4 out of 5 stars out of 199 customer reviews. They do come in different colors, but I wasn't able to find them in different colors. I was only able to find them in this black edition. Nonetheless, if you find them in a different color or are able to get them in a different color, either online or in store, let me know in the comments section below and let me know what color you got, because I think it's pretty fascinating that these are pretty comparable to the Beats Solo. These are the E45 BT. They are wireless on-ear headphones. Very similar to the Beats Solo. Nonetheless, today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. A couple of different features that this headphones have. It looks like they have 16-hour battery life, voice assistant features. If we actually take a look at the side of the box here, it does come with a microphone cable in the box, which is really nice, so that you can activate the voice assistant or plug it into a 3.5mm headphone jack if you'd like. They have JBL signature sound, seamlessly switch between devices, and a comfort fit fabric headband, which we've actually seen before on other JBL products. So if we actually stand the box up like so, they should just slide right on out. And if we tilt it over to the side here and lift off the front flap, we are greeted with the headphones themselves. In the box, it looks like we get some user manuals. Everything is nicely packaged. These are obviously brand new. So it looks like we get a 3.5 to 2.5 port here. Let's go ahead and take some of this stuff out of the plastic bag here. So we get a user manual, which is really helpful. We get a orange USB to micro USB charging cable. And last but not least, here is that cord, and it does come with built-in microphone and volume rocker switches. So the headphones are actually sitting in here in a precarious sort of way. They're actually tied down, so we're gonna have to pull them out like so, flip them over to the back, and just simply pull them out of the case that they are sitting in. I've never seen headphones presented this way, especially by JBL, but if we actually flip these right over, they're already starting to come out of the box, and they just come out of the box like that. So right off the bat, very lightweight, but very kind of sturdy feeling for a very tiny pair of headphones. And what I love about these is they actually fold up into a really compact way. These do not come with a carrying pouch or a carrying case, which is a little bit unfortunate. That's something that I would have liked to have seen in the box. Nonetheless, great design, great fit and finish. If we take a closer look at the headphones, as you can see, we've got the volume up and down switches on the right side of the headphones. We've got the headphone port so that we can connect our headphone jack if we want to. We've got a Bluetooth on button, so if we have trouble pairing. And last but not least, we have our charging port on the side, very discreetly tucked away underneath the drivers there, not on this side or on the top of the driver, thankfully. As you can see, if we flip these over, these are some tiny little ear cups, but they are marked left and right. And of course, last but not least, is that infamous JBL Fit Fabric Finish headband that I have come to really enjoy seeing on JBL products. The ear cups themselves are leather and lock into place when you're ready to wear them over your head. Really nice pair of headphones. Let's go ahead and turn these guys on and see what they sound like. So the volume up, the power button switch is on the right hand ear cup. It's on the back of the ear cup, which is really nice, not on the front of the ear cup. So if you're worried about that LED indicator light being in your peripheral, it's not going to be in your peripheral. So if you're listening to music at night or listening to a podcast or what have you, while you're laying in bed, that's not going to bother you. Or maybe if you're even working out at night or working out in a dark environment. So really cool little pair of headphones, ultra portable, ultra compact, and at an ultra low price of $59. So if we actually bring in the handy dandy iPhone here, we can see JBL E45 BT come up on the bottom. So we'll go ahead and we'll select that. And we'll see JBL E45 BT connected right here. We'll go ahead and click on info. We can either disconnect or forget the device, but we're not going to do either of those. For now, we're going to do a sound impressions. So I'm going to listen to these for a few minutes and then I'll be right back to let you know what my thoughts are on these headphones. Okay, everybody. So the verdict is in. I've compiled some of my thoughts on the JBL E45 BT on-ear headphones. I love JBL products. I think they all sound great. My love for these is no different. They sound loud and clear. The vocals are a little bit flat, but you know what I enjoy about these, and I can actually deal with the vocals being flat, is due to the fact that they did not include some sort of bass enhanced feature. If you actually remember from my review a couple of days ago, I reviewed a Close QC35 II alternative, the Life Q20 by Anker. They were really bass heavy, and that bass really drowned out everything else in the song. Not the case with these JBL E45 BT. Not heavy in the bass section at all. Really clear and clean sound. Like I said, the vocals are a little bit flat, they're a little bit muffled, they sound like they're behind everything else, but for the most part, I think you'll be very pleased with these headphones. What I did notice is that the swivel mechanism here for the headphones to fold up actually swivel so that they can fit on your ear a little bit better. Overall, really well-made pair of headphones. For $60, these are a fantastic pair of over-the-ear headphones, or on-ear headphones, excuse me. The JBL E45 BT I picked up at Walmart for $59. When I was there this morning picking these up, they were not on the shelves. I actually had to have someone go into the back room and get them for me. And they also had to bring out a few more pair because I'm pretty sure they are anticipating people buying these. So for Black Friday, this is going to be a headphone to have. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.